We've got a jury seated. We'd like to thank Vicky Cox, the court administrator, and Judge LaFortune for just how smoothly things went. I was very impressed. We were all very impressed with how smoothly everything went. Trials are a search for the truth, and we're going to be gone, take a long Easter weekend as Christians around the world celebrate the death, birth, and resurrection of Jesus. And Monday morning, we will have we'll start the jury trial, and we will learn what happened on June the 29th. We'll learn the truth about what happened on June the 29th, 2020. And I imagine people of this community are going to learn a few things about the police department that they're not that comfortable with.
Kevin,
thank you.
In order to get the truth, your client, David Ware, is going to stand. Is that correct?
No comment at this moment.
Okay.
Are you happy with how things went?
That's all I got to say. No comment. Yeah.
Thank you, Kevin. Brett?
Go ahead.
Go ahead, just for people watching live and stuff, say it's like first and last name, who you are.
Kevin Gray, Assistant District Attorney, KEVINGRAY. We're just grateful that the process has gotten to this point. We've got, as Kevin said, a really good process in place. Vicky Cox really led the charge on that. Judge LaFortune administered a smooth voir dire process, and so I think we're all very grateful that it's gone very smoothly. We've got a group of citizens ready to hear the case, and we're excited to get started on Monday.
How do you guys feel about the jury?
I think it looks like a fantastic jury. They look like a group of people who are terribly attentive. We've been watching them all week. They've been paying very close attention to everything the judge has said, everything we've said. They've been responsive to questions. They look engaged, and so I think they're ready to hear the evidence and, as Kevin said, get down to the truth of what happened back in June of 2020.
Do you think it's going to be an intense trial?
I think it's absolutely going to be an intense trial. How could it not be? This is an event that impacted and shocked our community. Had a lot of people very hard. And any murder trial that involves the loss of life by its nature is a bad thing. Loss of life is never a good thing. And so in a situation like this, I think it would be unreasonable to expect that it would not be a difficult journey for everybody involved.
Can you talk about how the feeling in the courtroom is going to shift? Because, we've been the only ones in the gallery other than, the jurors that have been questioned.
Sure.
Just talk about that.
I think the feeling obviously will shift because it's one thing to talk in the abstract. It's different to actually get down to the facts of the case. And what's getting ready to happen is a group of citizens are going to walk in and start seeing evidence. They're going to start seeing exactly what happened on that day. They're going to hear from eyewitnesses about what happened. They're going to hear about the investigation. And sadly, they're probably going to have to watch some of the most difficult footage they've ever watched in their lives. And that's what's in front of a group of citizens coming up in this couple of weeks.
Thank you.
Yeah, you bet. Thank you.
Appreciate it.